It came in this cute little bent up box.
Many bitches fake. Why you bitches fake? Swear these, yeah. Swear you hoes is fake. Why the fuck you fake? Bitch, I'm on my grind and I got shit to shake.
Hi guys, I'm back with another video, and today's video I'm going to be doing a install on this wig that I got that just came. I'm gonna make a video talking about like just how I've been doing, and because you know we got this quarantine and this dumbass virus, there's a whole bunch of stuff is going on, so I'm about to make a second video. It's coming up soon. Stay tuned for that. But anyways, I'm gonna give y'all a rundown of this wig and such and such. I got my wig. I got my drink, cause you know we not doing shit else in this bitch unless you working, and good for you, cause I wish I was working. Fuck. Anyways, that's beside the point. Let's get into it. This is the packaging that it came in. It came in this cute little bent up box. So you got the dents right here. You got, let me stop. This is the packaging that it came in. There was no brand, none of that. I'm gonna look inside. This is how it came. Yeah, it came in this. It had lashes too. These are the lashes that it came with. I don't think I'll use these because these are kind of cheaply made. But yeah, it came with a wig cap and the wig. There's nothing else in the box. Just a wig cap, lashes, and the wig. The lace, I'm pretty sure, is transparent lace. This is what the inside of the wig looks like. Has the combs right here. 1, 2, 3, 4 combs, and then it has straps so you could like adjust it. I got 10 inches, so this is supposedly a 10-inch wig. Yeah. Can you shut the fuck up? What I did notice about this wig is you could definitely see the flyaways on here. It's obvious. I combed through it several times. There is shedding. Let me see if there wasn't shedding when I did it that time. I got one strand. No shedding right there. No shedding right there. So there is shedding on this wig, but there isn't a lot. There's just like minimal shedding. The shedding is not alarming, honestly. I got this wig because I've always wanted like a short blonde wig. I got like a synthetic black short wig, and I got another one from IC Hair that I'll show. Well, y'all see me wear it eventually. But yeah, I've always wanted a short wig. I decided to stop like bleaching my hair and give it a break, a rest. So this is kind of like my experimental hair dye type wig. So I'm gonna put like whatever colors I want to in it. I have some teal, green, and black. I think I still have like some leftover red and other stuff, so I'm gonna like experiment, and y'all will see that and whatever. So yeah, let's get to putting this on. Oh bitch, you see a YouTube video 1 or 2 goddamn 29 times, you think you know how to do shit. Bitch, let me tell you something. This stocking cap method shit is not it. I look like I know what I'm doing. Bitch. I look like I know what I'll do, but I don't. This shit was not working. I cut off the edge part. Them shits was still bold. Like, bitch, I'm still here. I tried to cut more off. It was still there. Them shits was peeling back. You could see on the side of my head. They just goddamn not covering shit. It was not working for me. So basically what I had to do, even the makeup was fucked up. Basically what I ended up doing was peeling it off, as you can see. And yeah, we just gonna throw it on there, because nah, this shit not it. Oh, this shit. This wig, it curls easy. Like, it curls real easily. I might like have to do the edges and stuff. I was gonna do it, but I just decided not to. The stocking cap method was not working at all. It was pissing me off. It was not working. But yeah, I like this. I think it's really cute. It smells like Barbie hair, but for the most part it curls easily. And yeah, it's cute. So yeah, hope you guys like this video, and let me know what you guys want to see. If you want to see like other stuff, you know, we can't do much, but if you want to see anything else, just let me know. And thank you for watching. Bye.